Today we are going to discuss about halogen derivatives. Halogen derivatives. It is the most important chapter regarding with your 12th State Board NCRT as well as JEE and NEET syllabus. So you know that group 17th element, namely fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine and astatine. These 5 elements which are belonging to group 17, they are commonly called as halogens. They are commonly called as halogens. They are more electronegative element. More electronegative element इसका मतलब है वो दूसरों के पास से इलेक्ट्रॉन को एक्सेप्ट कर सकते हैं. They are excellent acceptor or gainers. Okay. Fluorine is the most electronegative element of the periodic table, and astatine is the radioactive element. So usually three halogens are used. Those are chlorine, bromine and iodine. Clear? Okay. You know halogens are usually you use 3 halogens: chlorine, bromine and iodine. Then question arises, what is mean by halogen derivatives? When alkane, alkene, alkyne or arenes, all these are hydrocarbons. You know hydrocarbons, the most aliphatic open chain saturated hydrocarbons are alkane, unsaturated are alkene, highly unsaturated alkyne, closed chain called arene. तो ऐसे alkane, alkene, alkyne and arenes, all these are hydrocarbons. इन hydrocarbons में का कम से कम एक हाइड्रोजन, at least one or more than that of n number of also, large number of also hydrogen atoms when replaced by X group or X atom. X is the prototype. X is the symbolic representation of your halides, maybe chloride, bromide, iodide. Okay. So when one or more hydrogen atom of any kind of hydrocarbon out of alkane, alkene, alkyne or aromatic compound, that is arenes, then such type of compounds are called as halogen derivatives. Means we replace one or more hydrogen atom of any kind of hydrocarbon out of these 4 or their derivatives by halogen atom, then newly formed compounds are called as halogen derivatives. Okay, depending upon the nature of carbon skeleton, depending upon the nature of hydrocarbon to which the halide group is attached, there are 4 types of main kinds of halogen derivative. So now our interest is to discuss about classification of halogen derivatives. इसका classification पढ़ना है हमें, halogen derivatives का classification पढ़ना है. देखो मैंने आपको बताया कि alkane have general formula R-H. When one of the hydrogen atom of such kind of alkane are replaced by halide group, halogen atom, then there is a formation of a new kind of compound R-H having general formula. So they are called as alkyl halide, or they may also called as haloalkane. Haloalkane. Similarly, suppose there is an unsaturated doubly bonded compounds are called as alkene. Unsaturated doubly bonded compound hydrocarbon are called alkene. इसमें का भी अगर one of the hydrogen atom or more hydrogen atoms are replaced by halide group, X group, then there is also formation of RCH double bond CH single bond X. This is also a halogen derivative that is called haloalkene. इसको क्या बोलना? Haloalkene. Clear? Another kind of highly unsaturated hydrocarbon is there which contain a carbon-carbon triple bond, that is called alkyne. Okay, one of the hydrogen atom is replaced by halide group, then there is a formation of such kind of haloalkyne. इसे हम क्या कहेंगे? Haloalkyne. Because triply bonded hydrocarbons are called alkyne, doubly bonded hydrocarbons are called alkene, singly bonded saturated open chain aliphatic hydrocarbons are called alkene. Means depending upon the nature of hydrocarbon part, हाइड्रोकार्बन का जो स्केलेटन है जिसको हमारा हैलाइड ग्रुप अटैच होने जा रहा है, उसके नेचर के आधार पर हम हेलोअल्केन हेलो अल्कीन एंड हेलो अल्काइन, इस काइंड का उसका क्लासिफिकेशन कर सकते हैं। अब दूसरा जो क्लासिफिकेशन है वो है, सपोज देयर इज ए एरोमेटिक रिंग, द मोस्ट प्राइमरी एरोमेटिक कंपाउंड इज बेंजीन। इस बेंजीन के अंदर का वन और मोर हाइड्रोजन एटम अगर हम हैलाइड ग्रुप से रिप्लेस करेंगे, हैलोजन एटम से रिप्लेस करेंगे, तो न्यूली फॉर्म्ड कंपाउंड्स आर कॉल्ड हैलोअरीन्स। These are haloarine. क्या बोलना है इसे? Haloarine. These are four major type of halogen derivatives: haloalkanes, haloalkenes, haloalkynes, and haloarenes. ये तो हुआ nature of carbon skeletons. अब हम hybridization की अगर बात करेंगे, you know, singly bonded carbon always, in case of alkane, all carbon atoms are singly bonded. And singly bonded carbon atoms are always undergo sp3 hybridization. Doubly bonded carbon atom undergo sp2 hybridization, and triply bonded carbon atom undergo sp hybridization. See here, this is a pi resonating ring. Pi resonance है. Pi resonance के अंदर this is a pi bond. So our hydrogen is replaced from the pi bonded carbon, and halide group is to be attached. For our convenience, we have to represent this alternate single and double bond conjugate system. Okay, this carbon is also sp2 hybridized carbon. sp2 hybridized carbon. तो अलग डेफिनेशन हम कैसा बताएंगे? Alkyl halides are the halogen derivatives, or the haloalkanes are the halogen derivatives in which halide group is directly attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom. The haloalkenes are those halogen derivatives in which the halide group is attached to doubly bonded unsaturated sp2 hybridized carbon. In case of alkyne, haloalkynes, the halogen atom is attached to the triply bonded unsaturated sp hybridized carbon atom. And in case of aromatic ring or benzene ring, in case of haloarenes, the halide group is also attached to the sp2 hybridized carbon atom of the aromatic chain. Okay, this is a major kind of classification. Another kind, इसके और सब टाइप्स है, हम जिसको यहाँ पर एक्सप्लेन करना चाहते हैं। तो देखो, हमने अभी क्या कहा, हमने ऐसा देखा है कि जनरली हेलोअल्केन्स हम जिसे कह रहे हैं उसमें सपोज दिस इज RCH2 सिंगल बॉन्ड X, दिस इज RCH सिंगल बॉन्ड R, and now suppose X, and this is RC single bond R and X. You know, this is a primary carbon atom, this is a secondary carbon atom, और हम इसे tertiary carbon कहेंगे. So the haloalkanes or alkyl halides, haloalkanes in common name system, they are called as alkyl halide. What are its actual nomenclature? We will discuss later on in the nomenclature article. Okay, so the primary carbon carrying halide group, so such type of alkyl halide or haloalkanes are called as primary alkyl halides. These are called secondary alkyl halides in which the halide group is attached to the secondary carbon atom. Secondary carbon atom को अगर halide group attach है तो उसे क्या कहें? Secondary alkyl halide. And in this case, the halide group is attached to the tertiary carbon, so these are called tertiary alkyl halides. Means friend, haloalkanes or alkyl halides are again three types, depending upon the nature of carbon atom to which our halide group is attached. All these are sp3 hybridized carbon, no doubt. This is sp3 hybridized, sp3 hybridized, sp3 hybridized. Okay, means haloalkanes are again of three types: primary, secondary, and tertiary alkyl halides. Clear? Okay. अब देखो हम क्या देखना चाहते हैं। अगर डबली बॉन्डेड कार्बन है तो उसे हम हेलोअल्कीन कहते हैं। सपोज RCH डबल बॉन्ड CH सिंगल बॉन्ड X and RCH double bond CH single bond CH to X. See friend, this carbon is doubly bonded carbon, so the hybridization of this carbon is of sp2 type. यानी कि when halide group is directly attached to the doubly bonded sp2 hybridized carbon atom, such kind of halogen derivatives are called vinyl halide. क्या कहेंगे इसे हम? vinyl halide, जिसमें डायरेक्टली हैलाइड ग्रुप, हमारा हैलाइड ग्रुप जो है वो डबली बॉन्डेड sp2 हाइब्रिडाइज्ड कार्बन को अटैच है, तो सच काइंड ऑफ हैलोजन डेरिवेटिव्स आर कॉल्ड एज विनाइल हैलाइड. बट दिस कार्बन is sp3 hybridized. हमारा हैलाइड ग्रुप ये कार्बन एटम के कार्बन चेन के sp3 हाइब्रिडाइज्ड कार्बन को अटैच है. फर्दर दिस sp3 हाइब्रिडाइज्ड कार्बन एटम इज अटैचेड टू doubly bonded carbon atom. So such type of halides are called as allylic halides. देखो, in your examination there should be a question. What is the difference between allylic halide and vinylic halide? In vinylic halide, our halide group is directly attached to doubly bonded sp2 hybridized carbon. And in case of allylic halide, our halide group is attached to the sp3 hybridized carbon, which is further attached with unsaturated doubly bonded sp2 hybridized carbon atom. Such type of halides are called as allylic halide. So two types are there: vinylic halide and allylic halide. You have a better understand the difference. I think so. आपको डिफरेंस समझ में आया होगा. ठीक उसी तरह हमने हैलोअरीन्स का स्टडी किया. हैलोअरीन्स के अंदर जब हैलाइड ग्रुप डायरेक्टली अटैच होता है इसको एरोमेटिक क्लोज चेन ऑफ कार्बन एटम लाइक बेंजीन रिंग को, तो इसको हमने हैलोअरीन्स कहा. लेकिन अगर सपोज हमारा हैलाइड ग्रुप ऐसे कार्बन स्केलेटन को अटैच है जो कार्बन डायरेक्टली अटैच है एरोमेटिक रिंग को, लेकिन हमारा हैलाइड ग्रुप एरोमेटिक रिंग को डायरेक्टली अटैच नहीं है जैसे कि हैलोअरीन्स में है. यहाँ पर हमारा हैलाइड ग्रुप sp3 हाइब्रिडाइज्ड कार्बन एटम को अटैच है, वो आगे चलकर फर्दर दैट इज टू बी अटैचेस टू द एरोमेटिक रिंग. Such type of halides are called benzylic halide. क्या बोलना है इसको? Benzylic halide. No, directly it is aromatic halide, but it is not aromatic halide because halide group is attaches to the aliphatic chain, aliphatic carbon. That carbon again attaches to the closed chain aromatically. So such type of halides are called benzylic halide. And haloarenes or aryl halides in which directly our halide group is attaches to the closed chain carbon, unsaturated carbon, sp2 hybridized. Clear? You have to understood the difference between benzylic halide and aryl halide. Okay, so this is regarding with the classification. Suppose depending upon the number of carbon, the number of halide group or halogen atoms attached to the carbon chain कितने हैं देखो. अगर हमने अभी तक जो क्लासिफिकेशन देखा वो नेचर ऑफ कार्बन स्केलेटन, अब जो हम क्लासिफिकेशन पढ़ने जा रहे हैं उसके अंदर हैलाइड ग्रुप का नंबर, हैलोजन एटम कितने हैं, 1 है, 2 है, 3 है, 4 है, 5 है, तो इसके आधार पर हम हैलोजन डेरिवेटिव का स्टडी कर सकते हैं. सपोज द हैलोजन डेरिवेटिव्स which contain only one halide group, only one halogen atom in their structure are called as monohalides, which contain 2 halide group or halogen atoms in their structure are called as dihalides, which contain 3 halide group or halogen atom in their structures are called as trihalides, which contain at least 4 or more than 4 halide group or halogen atom, they are called as polyhalides. Or you may say monohalogen derivatives, dihalogen derivatives, trihalogen derivatives and polyhalogen derivatives. The name itself indicates mono means 1, di means 2, tri means 3, poly means 4 or more than that. Okay, for our better understanding we will take, हम कुछ example की study करेंगे यहाँ पर जिससे आपका concept clear होगा. Monohalide किसे कहना है, dihalide किसे कहना है. See, this is one of the example. Suppose it is ethyl chloride. Ethyl chloride, the name of the compound. Suppose CH3CH, देखो मैंने क्लोरीन एटम इसको अटैच किया. So this is a ethylidene. अब इसको ethylidene क्यों कहना? I will explain in the nomenclature. Ethylidene dichloride. देखो मैं आपको खाली यहाँ पर वो concept समझा रहा हूँ. It is called chloroform. It is an anesthetic drug now banned in the medical sciences. Okay, chloroform. Suppose मीथेन में के चारों भी हाइड्रोजन हमने क्लोरीन से रिप्लेस कर दिया, तो the compound become carbon tetrachloride. Okay, friend. carbon tetrachloride. Suppose CCl3, single bond CCl3. This is ethane hexachloride. क्या दिखता है हमें? इन केस ऑफ इथाइल क्लोराइड देयर इज ओनली वन हैलाइड ग्रुप. अब यहाँ पे हमारा हैलाइड कौन है? क्लोराइड है. ऐसा कोई इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं है या जरूरी नहीं है कि हमेशा क्लोराइड रहे. इट शुड बी ब्रोमाइड, इट शुड बी आयोडाइड. फ्लोराइड को लेना नहीं क्योंकि वो मोर इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव एलिमेंट है ऑफ द पीरियोडिक टेबल एंड एस्टाटाइड इज ए रेडियोएक्टिव एलिमेंट. सो यू शुड टेक यूजुअली क्लोरीन, ब्रोमीन एंड आयोडीन. देखो यहाँ पर दो क्लोरीन एटम अटैच है यानी कि दो बोले तो डाई है. सो इट सच टाइप ऑफ हैलाइड्स which contain only one halide group or halogen atom are called monohalide. As the halides contain two same or different halide group or halogen atom are called dihalide, which contain three as like chloroform, as it contains three chlorine atoms. So it is an example of trihalide. And which contain four or more. These two examples. देखो कार्बन टेट्राक्लोराइड के अंदर 4 क्लोरीन है एंड इथेन हेक्साक्लोराइड के अंदर ये 3 इथेन 6 क्लोरीन है. तो ऐसे हैलाइड्स को पॉलीहैलाइड्स समझे? पॉलीहैलाइड्स. सो these are nothing but classification depending upon the number of halide group present in the halogen derivatives. On this basis there are 4 classes: monohalogen derivative या monohalides, dihalides, trihalides and polyhalides. Again the dihalides are of 2 type. देखो डायहैलाइड अगेन 2 टाइप, मोनोहैलाइड 3 टाइप है जो हमने पहले पढ़ा. देखो मोनोहैलाइड कैसे है? 3 टाइप के. देखो अगर यहाँ पर प्राइमरी कार्बन को अटैच है तो इट इज एन एग्जांपल ऑफ प्राइमरी अल्किल हैलाइड. मोनोहैलाइड का प्राइमरी टाइप का कंपाउंड है. ये देखो कम हियर दिस इज सेकेंडरी. द नेम ऑफ दिस कंपाउंड इज आइसोप्रोपाइल क्लोराइड. देखो it is an example of secondary alkyl halide because our halide group chlorine is attached to secondary carbon. And in third case the monohalides are the third type of monohalide is suppose our halide group is attached to, see this, I will take suppose bromine. So neo 1 2 3 4 4 carbon है. So neobutyl bromide. See friend, this is a primary alkyl halide, this is secondary alkyl halide, this is tertiary. These are the 3 subtypes of monohalides or monohalogen derivatives. अब डायहैलोजन के 2 टाइप हैं. आप खुद जिसको समझ सकते हो वो स्ट्रक्चर पे से समझ सकते हो. देखो कमाल, देखो both the chloride group or chlorine atoms are attached to the same or only one or identical carbon atom. Only one carbon atom, same carbon atom. In such type of dihalides are called as geminal dihalide. क्या बोलना है इसे? Geminal dihalide. See, both the chloride groups are attached to 2 adjacent. समझे? Adjacent बोले तो those are the direct neighbors of each other. ये देखो ये दो कार्बन direct neighbor. They are visiting to each other. They are joining with each other. There is no any another carbon atom, another group inside these 2 carbons. Okay, adjacent or neighboring carbon को both halide groups are attached. Then such type of halides are called as vicinal dihalides. समझ गए हो? देखो जेमिनल का मतलब है, जेमिनी ग्रीक वर्ड से, जेमिनी का मतलब only one or same, only one or same or itself, अकेले को ही. एंड ये जो विजिनल शब्द आया, विजिनल वर्ड आया, वो विजिनी से आया ग्रीक लैंग्वेज से. विजिनी का मतलब है नेबर्स. तो नेबरिंग कार्बन को अगर हैलाइड ग्रुप अटैच है तो ऐसे डायहैलाइड को विजिनल डायहैलाइड. सेम कार्बन एटम को अटैच है जेमिनल डायहैलाइड. क्लियर? सो दिस इज रिगार्डिंग विथ योर क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ halogen derivative with all the aspect. Maximum aspect we have to explain here. Okay friends, so today we will stop here. Thank you. कहते हैं हेलो